Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make, wait for it, UltraSquad glow in the dark slime. Hey everyone, I'm Girls with Heart Akiley and you're watching DIYG, which stands for Do It Yourself, girl. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make, wait for it, UltraSquad glow in the dark slime. Yes! Okay. So have you guys read the actual UltraSquad book? It's actually a graphic novel, which makes it 10 times better. And how convenient, I have a copy right here. Yes! And so this is what the front cover looks like. And then, on top of that, with all these awesome girls, they have their little friends called Pallies. This slime is based on the Pallies. Yes! So now let's move on with the slime. So first you will need some glow-in-the-dark glue, any colors, it's optional. And then you're gonna need some activator for the slime so it can come together. Then you're gonna need some eyeballs, which is also optional. Then you're gonna need some awesome, beautiful glitter. Then you're going to need some awesome containers. Everything is awesome up in here, yes. And then you're going to need some mixing tools and one measuring spoon that says tablespoon on it. Oh, that looks so pretty. So first I'm gonna start off with the pink glow-in-the-dark slime. Very thick. So now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of the magical liquid. Make sure you do it over the bowl just in case you spill some. As you mix it, you're going to see that your slime is going to harden. Now that you've got your slime mixed to perfection, now I'm going to add in this beautiful glitter, and I'm also going to add in these pink eyeballs to represent the pink Pallie that's looking at me through the slime. Smart, isn't it? His name is actually Louie, and he loves to eat and is very funny. Who does that remind you of? Me, if you didn't catch it. Moving on to the blue one, this slime is going to represent Schlunk. They all have such hilarious names. Schlunk is the sleepy and lazy one. He's also really cute, and he is actually blue. That's why I'm making him represent the blue slime, which is very difficult to get out of the tube right now. So now we're gonna pour in 2 tablespoons of the magical liquid. Now I'm mixing in the 2 tablespoons of the magical liquid, aka Activator. So this one is going to be extra special because we're adding in 2 different colors of eyeballs and 3 different colors of glitter. We need to make it more pizzazzy because he's always sleeping all the time, so we need something to spice it up a bit. So next we're going to make the yellow slime. Yes, that is yellow. And this slime is going to represent Captain Bob. Yes, interesting name. So Captain Bob is actually a really serious Pallie. He's always making sure that the girls are safe. He's always working. He's not that outgoing, but sometimes he can be funny. Sometimes he just loosens up a bit. So now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of the magical liquid. So now that we've got our slime mixed to perfection, that almost hit me, we're gonna sprinkle in the eyeballs and the glitter to make sure Captain Bob is looking at us through the slime. I love how my UltraSquad slime turned out. So now I'm gonna turn off the lights completely and play with these slimes in the dark so you can see what they look like. So that's what the slime looks like with the eyeballs. Holy cans of Oli. This one is really right over here, yes. I love how my UltraSquad slime turned out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below if you have any recipes or project ideas you'd like to see me do. See you next time, girls, and always remember, you can do it yourself, girl. Bye!